not that many people are coming up because the road is still closed. A red box because of the landslide, and it's been going steadily slow. They said they were going to get it done in April or March. It's in June already, so I'm going to keep going up this way and see where it takes me. And I might just tell you guys the strange story I heard about some werewolves up here. So here was the split I was talking about. I have no idea where this takes you down. This takes you up to Mount Akawie, aka Buckhorn, and then some other provisional peak. I think it's 71 or 7110 or 7110. I don't remember. I'll link it, but if time allows me, I'll go down this way to see where it takes me. But some beautiful views here for sure. A little creepy. After reading all the werewolf stuff and strange paranormal lights and paranormal stuff and the strange disappearance of that sheriff, a Jai. It happened not too far from here, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little freaked out. I'm at a three-way junction here, little trail or a little old road, service road, takes you to absolutely nowhere. I'll check that out in a video. I'll link it down below. And that takes you to some pretty cool ruins up there. I think 7110 or 7160, one of those, or 7170. I just name dropped everything here. This takes you to some cool overlook that looks over Buckhorn, and we'll throw on all those other peaks on that area there. And then further up onto our right, that leads you up to Buckhorn. I think I'm going to go to Buckhorn because I haven't been there in a long time, also known as Mount Akawie. I would say some of the most secluded section of the Angeles, next to like the Twin Peaks trail from 3 Points. The back trail that takes you all the way back, that's a really secluded area there. Some time ago I ran into a hunter, years ago I would say. He got lost, and he didn't know where he was going, and his friend left him up there. He had been up there since like 6 a.m. and he didn't know where he was going, and luckily he ran into myself and my girlfriend, and we let him down. For those of you that don't know, some sheriff disappeared in that trail on the other side that looks over Wilthrall, the Buckhorn Trail. And check out some flat spots to camp. I believe there's a lot of them here. Definitely camp there. And hammock. A lot of trees here for hammocking too, so hammock campers, the spot is a good spot to camp, and we're covered by trees over here, so wind shouldn't be an issue. What I haven't been checking out for is rattlesnakes. It's starting to get warm, and gotta be careful. I don't know if they go above 5,000 feet, so if anybody knows that, let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna come and explore a little bit over here. See some cool flat spots over there, and see if I find any ruins or anything like that. Just checking out Mount Akawie down this way. See how far it takes me, and I think you could hammock camp some there. I think that's maybe too small. It might be too big over there, but it's beautiful here. This is definitely a very different area. Man, the gnats are full out vengeance. The rain. Gotta keep my glasses on. I think this might be my final destination here. It looks beautiful here. This is definitely a very beautiful area. I believe that's Kraka to my right here. And then far ahead is Mount Williamson, Pallet, Wilthrall. I think that's Bobcat. And that's Wilthrall behind that mountain there. But it is stunning here. I love finding little strange spots. This is not too far from Mount Akawie, which is behind me. So stunning. Definitely come and check this out. I have the GPS loaded. I think I've chilled like all the way down there, so I'll definitely put the GPS so you guys and gals can come and check it out. It's beautiful here. Make sure to check your 6 because I'm definitely not. I know the roads that way, so I definitely can't get lost. But I am exploring over here. See how far it takes me down without going absolutely off grid here. Beautiful area there though. So I'm gonna keep checking out and then I'm gonna head back. So I'm actually gonna head back because the GPS didn't load. So I'm trying not to get lost here. And I got about 2 hours of daylight, so definitely not gonna risk it. Turning around and hopefully I could find my way back easily because I am completely off trail and a little bit off the grid. This place always gives me the eerie vibe, especially after hearing the werewolf story. Some dude was driving up the Angeles Crest Highway and he said that he saw what appeared to look like a werewolf or a dogman, and it was kind of interesting. And he said it was really big. It kind of looked like a German Shepherd is what he said it resembled. And there had been reports that there had been a large animal, like a dog, that was loose out here. There's some interesting tracks right there I just passed from. But yeah, that been reported to the sheriffs and the rangers that there's been a lot of large dog reportings, like German Shepherd or a wild animal. So being in this area right now, not gonna lie, it's creeping me out. Werewolf. My buddy and I went camping one night, and I swear that's what I think I heard in the middle of the night. Sneaky Rooney, I know that's what you heard. Name dropping. The other creepy thing is some dude disappeared in this area around that mountain on that side over there by Will Thrall. So, creepy stuff. Lots of paranormal stuff. Also found some time ago, years ago actually, my buddy, we found pentagrams. Pentagrams, I think that's how you pronounce them. And they were large with fire ring and some bones. I didn't record it, I just got the hell out of there quick. It was creepy, exciting, all at once, all on this channel. Creepy stuff. Plane. The plane, boss, the plane. The other thing I forgot to share, because I heard a loud noise right now, it kind of scared me, was some years back, I was coming out this way, and I thought I saw a mountain lion on the other side of this, down the mountain off of Buckhorn and Mount Akawie. I thought I saw a mountain lion running up, like galloping. But what always got me weirded out about it is its hind legs were bent, like it was running up. It kind of resembles Slender Man. So, anyways, I thought I'd share that really quick. Oh, heard a strange noise. I don't know if you guys captured that. I don't like it when it gets eerily quiet. No noise, nothing.